In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in Framer. We'll keep this simple and use Framer's built-in Typeform component, which is the fastest, most reliable way to get a form on your page without touching code. By the end, your Typeform will be live inside your Framer design and ready to style like the rest of your site. First, grab your Typeform ID, open your form in Typeform, and head to the Share panel. You'll see a shareable link there. The unique ID is the last part of that link at the end of the URL. Copy just that identifier, not the entire link. A quick tip here. Avoid including extra characters like slashes, spaces, or anything after a question mark. If you paste the whole link into Framer, the component won't know what to load, so double check you've got only the clean ID. Now switch over to Framer, open your project and go to the Insert panel. You can click the plus icon or press the I key to open it. Navigate to Elements, then Forms, and you'll see the Typeform component. Drag it onto your canvas and drop it where you want the form to live. If you're working inside a specific frame or section, make sure you place it within that layer so it inherits the correct layout and spacing from your design. With the Typeform layer selected, look to the right side Properties panel. You'll find a field labeled ID. Paste the Typeform ID you copied earlier. Framer will fetch your form and render a live preview right on the canvas. If it doesn't appear, the most common cause is an extra character in the ID. So paste again and make sure it's only the identifier from the end of the Typeform link. From here, customize the component to fit your layout. Use the resize handles or width controls to match your design grid. If your page is responsive, set pinning so the form stays anchored to the left and right edges or fills the available space across breakpoints. Adjust padding and spacing around the component so it breathes within the section. For appearance, you can place it over a contrasting background, add a container with rounded corners or shadows, and use consistent spacing to match your site's visual style. On smaller screens, ensure the form remains readable by checking the mobile preview and allowing the component to expand vertically as needed. And that's it. You grabbed the Typeform ID, added the Typeform component in Framer, pasted the ID into the Properties panel, and fine-tuned the size, pinning, and appearance. Save your work, preview the page, and your Typeform is ready to use.